Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I create my thumbnails. I'm gonna show you like apps I use and all, like just the process of me creating my thumbnails. So if you're interested, go ahead and continue watching this video, and without further ado, let us get into it. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video, guys. So pretty much when I am doing a thumbnail, what I do, I first of all get a picture. So normally I would probably like take a picture when I'm doing a video, or I would screenshot pictures, and then if I'm gonna do a collage, then I would need to go, let me just close these. If I'm going to do a collage, then I will go into photo grid and just put the pictures together and then save it. Then the next thing I normally do is go into Lensa, and I should have showed this when I was doing this picture, but pretty much what I do, I go in and I blur background. If it's a solid background, like they can actually tell where my face and body is, then it will actually blur out the background. As you can see, I normally brighten it, so I go into adjust and I put up the exposure. I also do the saturation, so the colors are more vibrant, and sometimes I also brighten it and then just save. And then what I do next is to go into Fonto, and I go where you see that little camera. I press plain images, and because I have like a set background that I use every time, I go into my templates, and this light pastel one is the one I use for my main channel. The other one is for my other channel, and I go into custom, press 1280 to 720. That is the custom size for a thumbnail, and then press done, and then go up here and you see use. Now that is what it will look like. Then I go over where you see the three lines, add image, and I add the image that I saved, and then you would resize this picture to fit. And what I normally do is resize it and kind of leave it with a little border, so I kind of have like a little border around it, and I just try and make it even. Then what I need to do now is to add text, and pretty much what this is my summer bucket list. So this is my summer bucket list. So this is a video that you guys already saw on my channel, but if you have not yet seen it, go ahead and watch it. It will be in the description down below. All right, so the font that I normally use for this, where is it? It's called Holiday Free. So this is a font that I started using, so I try to use the same thing every time, if you get what I mean. Yes, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to style it. So I have a custom style, and this is how you do your custom style. You would normally like fix it up how you want it, and then you go into this little three dots and you press save style, but I already saved mine, so all I do is just press it and it will come up, and all I do is just fix it so it actually looks the way I want it. Now I'm just gonna add something else, like a 2021 or something, and I want this to be in like a different font. I'm going to use the Keep On Trucking font. And I'm gonna style this by putting it in like purple or something, and stroke it in like white, and fix the width. And then this is going to be my thumbnail for now, and all I do is to go here and press save image, and then I can go back and see what it looks like. Now I normally do like 2 to 3 of these just to see like which one I prefer, and then ask my sister which one she prefers. So yeah, that's what I normally do. Okay, so sometimes I do like outline my pictures, and I just want to show you guys how I do that, because right now I'm gonna outline this one because I think it needs a little bit something. So what I'm doing is I went into PixArt and I went into draw, choose white, and I'm just outlining my picture with this thing here. So yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so that is it, and then all I do is just press apply. Then I go to next, and then I will just save this. Alright, so since I've saved that now, there we go. So it kind of looks like it's popping a little bit more, and if I wanted to like cut out stuff, I could actually use the same app, or I could use the eraser app. Any one of them is fine. Now I just want to change this to the other picture, and that's what I mean. Like I would actually just show my sister all of them, and she would choose like which one. So I could do that, and I'm gonna do like something else, another one, and like show her and see. I'm gonna do the what do you call it, the other one, where I mean like the, what do you call it? Sorry, I'm kind of lost for words right now. The one that I cut out, I'm gonna do that one as well, and I'm gonna show her and see like which one she likes. I want this stroke to be white. I could like add in a, what do you call that, like emoji thingy. And press save. Now I am going to go now and do the cutout one. I'm trying to remember which one of them would probably be the best to cut out. Let's try this one. So what I do, I go into cutout, press person, and it would highlight it. Oh, great. You don't have to do a lot of work. So it's already cut out. Press next, and then save. What I'm going to do, I'm now going to go and find a picture from when I went on vacation of like probably like the beach or something. The back of, like, I want it to be beachy. So like this, I'm gonna choose which one I want, or this one.
Something from you. You
Alright, so let's go into my favorites folder now and see which one of them I want. Now this has a lot of beachy thingy to it. I don't know, I think this one is brighter, and I'm gonna edit it and see like which one would be better. Yeah. Alright, so that's fine. So I just want the exposure to be kind of high. Alright, so now we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna remove. We're gonna just move that. Don't think I'll need you since I'll have the beach. Then I'm going to add, go into my favorites folder. I'm going to add the picture that I just fixed that I want. Right. Still want the little border. Then I'm gonna go in now and add the picture I just cut out. So it's gonna come in like a PNG kind of photo. And then I add in my summer bucket list 2020. So now this one I like the best. I think I like this one better. You know, I can make myself a little bit bigger if I want. Yeah, I like this. I think I like this one the best, but I'm gonna actually check with my sister and see which one she likes the best. So now I have like 3. I'm going to now just carry them all to her, and she's gonna like choose which one she likes the best, you know. So I have 4 options at the moment. So I have this one with the border, this one with the beach thingy, and then this one more speaks, you know, it more looks like I'm giving a bucket list for summer. Alright guys, so she wanted me to do this little beach thingy on it, so this is the choice with the beach thingy on it. So yes, this is the thumbnail, and that is how I make my thumbnails.